Hello, lovely family. Welcome once again to my channel. So, Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by, please don't forget to subscribe. Also, turn your notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. I need your comment. I need to read your comment. In today's video, I'm going to make pimple soap. This pimple soap can clear your pimples, your acne on your face. So please stay back and let's go to my workstation. Guys, let's start to make our pimples simple soup. And this black soap is made by myself. So I will be teaching you how to do it by your own self. It's so simple to make it. And also I'm going to add in my Kampala soap. This Kampala soap is optional, please. I added Kampala soap and anti-pimples ball. These soaps are optional. I have showed a picture of Kampala soap. Kampala soap is very, very good because it cures rashes and skin infections. So it's very, very nice. And I'm also adding in my anti-pimples ball. I added 2 balls of it. So this is the anti-pimples ball. Yes. So guys, I'm going to add in my Shea Butter. Shea Butter is very, very good because it will hydrate the skin and also let the skin become so soft. So I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of it. Guys, please subscribe to my channel so that we can move this family ahead. I need your support by subscribing and also liking my video. Please comment at the comment section. And also I'll be adding in my oat powder. I'll add in 3 tablespoons of oat powder. I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of my oat powder. Also, I'm going to add in my turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is very, very good for glowing. So I like and I love turmeric powder. I added in 2 tablespoons of my turmeric powder. I'll also add in my cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder is very, very good because it heals or treats skin infection and also skin diseases. So I'll be also adding in 2 tablespoons of it to my soup. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Please like, share, and comment. I need to read all your comments. I'll be also adding in my sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder is also a lightening or a brightening agent. It will glow your skin very well. So we are adding in 2 to 3 tablespoons of my sandalwood powder. I'll be adding in my neem juice. I'm adding in 125 ml of my neem juice, making half cup of my neem juice. Neem juice is very, very good. We can decide to add in neem powder, but I am adding in neem juice or neem oil. It's very good. I'll also add in my lemon juice. Guys, please don't forget to add in sulfur powder. I added in half tablespoon of my sulfur powder or sulfur powder. Please guys, don't forget to add in. And also I'll be adding in my honey. Guys, I'll be adding in 3 tablespoons of honey. Don't forget to add in 3 tablespoons of honey. Then you mash it using your hand to mash your soap together to make the oil and also the powders mix properly. So right now we are mashing our soap. I'll mashing it to become soft so that we can add in the rest of the ingredients. Please, you can decide to pound your soap. Please don't forget to add in your tea tree oil. I added in 5 drops of my tea tree oil, and I added in my sulfur powder, half tablespoon of my sulfur powder, and I added in 3 tablespoons of my honey. Please, I'll be adding in my preservative, 1 teaspoon of my preservative, and I'll also add in my propylene glycol, 1 teaspoon of my propylene glycol to make the soap penetrate deeply into the skin and clear off all the pimples from our skin. So right now I'm adding in my propylene glycol, then I'll mix it again. Guys, please don't forget to add in the tea tree oil. We added in 5 drops of the tea tree oil. If you have neem oil, you can add that one too. You can add a little to it, but if you don't have, you can add the juice and it will work perfectly. Right now I'm going to add in my perfume, which is fragrance. It's very good to make it smell good. I'm doing this soap for my brother and my client, so I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of my fragrance. So then I'll mix it again and cover it for another day, 48 hours. Then I will just scoop all the soap into empty container, neat one. Guys, this is the end of our soap. Thank you for watching my video. Guys, please see you on my next video. I love you guys.